All right. How you all doing? Philip Staten here with the Double Advantage team. We're licensed with Breland Group Realtors right here in the heart of the Highlands. We're very excited about this new listing. This little ranch, two bedroom, one bath. It's just under 1,000 square feet and it's on 0.13 of an acre. So just under a quarter of an acre. It is adorable and it is really, really nice. It's got original hardwood floors, in the dining area and under some of the pergo, the updated pergo floor that's been put in there. New roof, only a year old. Um, HVAC is only 5 years old, I believe. And I'm pulling this all from my garbage memory. I hope you all understand where I'm coming from. But at the location, it's premium. You're right down the road from everything. Shopping is right up the street. I mean, literally within walking distance. You've got Walmart, Target, Lowe's. Around the corner is Costco, restaurants everywhere. The Highlands, just up Bardstown Road. It literally is one of the best locations you could be when it comes to convenience. You'll want to check this one out. Let's get over here. I'm going to play the intro, which goes through some of these pictures really quickly to give you an idea about this property. So if you're not interested after seeing this little introduction, you can move on. But if these pictures look good to you and this property looks good to you, you'll want to continue watching. We'll try to trim this video down to about 7 to 10 minutes. I've been going too long on these things. So let's go into the intro and I'll see you on the other side. All right. Amazing place, right? Those pictures look fantastic. Looks like I cut off this spin around on the living room, which is really nice. So we'll get back to that. Let's go over the home details really quickly. Um, so we're looking at 975 square feet, two bedroom, one bath. It's a brick ranch with a carport and a little storage area in the back. You've got a vinyl uh, privacy fence that goes around the back. You've got an outbuilding that is in the backyard as well for extra storage. And I believe you even have a pull down ladder that gives you some access to storage in the attic space. And as you can see, the living room is a good size. The bedrooms are decent sizes. And the location is absolutely a premium spot. And so what we're going to do is we'll flip through these pictures. Can I drop this down? And this is the main picture you see there. So it's capturing some of these great spaces in here, but we're going to walk through. I'll then show some video clips. But this also has a little sunroom that is 90% glass on the, it's a front porch that is covered. It's pretty spacious. I think I have a picture of it. Here's a drone shot. We had to take some shots while the snow was out and just melting after that cold spree. But look at that roof. It's brand new, literally. But carport, living room space, I believe it's 15 feet by 12 and a half feet. Lots of natural light in there. And you can see pergo flooring in there. Underneath that, I believe, now don't quote me on it, and I can't guarantee it, but it looks like the original hardwood floors run right underneath that pergo flooring. So if you ever wanted to pull that up, there's probably some decent floors under there that have the original wood. Really nice. This is semi-open floor plan, so the living room opens up to the dining area, and there's a ceiling fan in the dining area, and you have those original hardwood floors in there that look great. This is an amazing space, really. The way they've got it set up in here is perfect, but you could fit almost any living room furniture in here and make it work. And this is looking over from the dining area, and just a big, huge window out looking out into the front yard. Really nice. The kitchen is mind blowing. You have gorgeous quartz countertops in here. The wood cabinets. Let me go back to that. You can see here, and it wraps all the way around. Backsplash that's tile. Looks fantastic. A gas stove. Beautiful hardwood cabinetry. I don't know if this is maple, but it's a gorgeous color. Recessed lighting, lots of cabinet space and counter space to work with. And you've got these really nice stainless steel appliances in here. And you've got the dining area, which is just around the corner from the kitchen and opens to the living room. But as you can see, there's a ceiling fan that is always nice to have, a window that looks out, allows some natural light in. Very good stuff. Look at this backsplash. It really brings that quartz, the coloring in the quartz out nicely. And it's mostly black and gray and white, but the backsplash works with it nicely. Stainless steel appliances. This is a really nice upgrade on a gas stove. Who doesn't love gas cooking? And then you've got this, what I'm calling a little breakfast nook area. They have a hutch here with the china cabinet, but this space is big enough to put a little table if you wanted. It steps around to the laundry room and also steps out into the backyard. But that's a large space that would work for a nice little nook there. You could almost put anything over in this space. It's really nice. Here's that drone shot, a little bit closer, but showing that enclosed sunroom. And you can see the storage back here, the carport. It's mostly brick exterior, I believe, all the way around. And a couple of drone shots here. There's that sunroom, and very spacious, right? And it's the brick. It's got a plug out there for electric if you wanted to plug something in. It has a ceiling fan in there in case you're sitting out there during maybe a summer evening or something, having some iced tea or a cold beverage of your choosing. And it's got tile flooring, which looks great. It's an amazing space in there. And so before we go any further with some of these pictures, looking at the kitchen, let me bring up the video clip of the living room I wanted to show you. And I've sped these up to save us time, so they move a little quickly, but there's your front door, large living room window looking out there, and then spins around um, and goes right into the dining area. And am I looking a little wobbly, but that space is really nice. I love the floor plan on this place. And it's such a nice little property. I almost feel like it's going to be under contract before I get this video uploaded. It's been getting a lot of showing requests because it's just very adorable, and it's got some real nice upgrades like the bathroom. The kitchen looks great. Another drone shot showing that backyard. You can see the outbuilding back here, this vinyl privacy fence that runs around. See how large that carport space is, and that's always nice to have. Possible if you wanted, you could enclose that into maybe a one-car garage if somebody wanted to do that. And so yeah, the yard is a pretty decent size. Back here, room to play, let me bring this up, room to sit around with family and friends. Have a gathering and a good time, enjoying family and friends in your back. It's not small. It's got enough space to really do what you want back there. Um, and so there's another shot. Got a nice, kind of fairly mature tree that allows for some summertime shade that would be nice in the summer. And past, it looks like I doubled up on a picture of the sunroom, right? And you can see the tile flooring. This stove is in great shape. I think it's fairly new. And you can see the cabinetry there. It's just gorgeous. and more of the living room. And we're going to slowly kind of creep back here to these other spaces. Here's bedroom 2, and it is 11 by 11 feet with a ceiling fan, double closet, 2 windows. Really nice space. And I'll say about that, every space in this house is a really nice space. I think anybody who sees that, oh, that's the primary bedroom, as you can see, 2 windows, double closet, ceiling fan, and pergo flooring here, but it's possible there's the original hardwood floors are under there. Don't quote me on it, but that's what I think when I look at it. And real quick, we're going to go ahead and we're going to show the dining area in video. Kind of spin around, let you see this area again. Get a different angle. Yeah, isn't that nice? And I'm not cutting back in time, but um, so primary bedroom is about 11 feet by 11 feet as well, and similar to the secondary bedroom. So it's almost like a twin bedroom setup with the full bathroom right in the middle. And the bathroom is updated with some really nice features. It's gorgeous. Got a window. It has a towel closet, tile flooring, I believe. I'm pulling that from memory. I don't have a picture of it right here, I don't think. Um, but as you can see, the tub is, this has been updated at some point. So everything's in pretty good shape in this bathroom. Very clean and a nice space. Now you can see here, it looks like there's some tile flooring in there. And is this the same tile? This might be some type of vinyl plank or something, but it looks good and looks very much like tile. If it's not tile, I'm pulling that from my memory, forgive me. Give us a call. We'll be happy to get you in here to see it, and you can get a close look at everything. If it's not already under contract, the showings are lining up. You'll want to give me a call at 502-724-4484 and get into this property and see it as quickly as possible. And so here's the property, rectangular shape. Driveway's over here. It runs up into the carport area. And so you've got a decent front yard space, and you also have this great space here in the back that's ready for action. Kind of looking down from the back. That tree's blocking it a little bit. I got that drone in as close as I could get it without crashing and burning. But good looking house, good looking neighborhood. And it's right down the street from everything you need. It's right there. And so don't want to blow you up with a bunch of drone shots, but I did take several. Uh, and so let me get over here and we're going to show um, the kitchen video if I haven't done that already. Give you a good idea of what it looks like in here with kind of a spin around, big sink in here, window with natural light coming in. And then there's that nook area, but you can see that it's stainless steel appliances in there. Now, I can't speak for the seller as far as those remaining. It certainly doesn't hurt to ask for them to remain, but that's up to the seller and the buyer negotiating a contract that works for everyone. And then I've got a video clip that takes us looking at the living room, the dining area, and then we're going to walk over and look into the hall bathroom there. And I did not get great shots of the in video anyways. Yeah, very nice in there. And so because there were people there, so I didn't get the bedrooms, but you understand what's going on with them. It's 11 by 11 or so, double closets with sliding doors, which is really nice. 2 windows, ceiling fans, pergo floors, and really ready to go. The colors are very nice in this property. And so with that being said, and I'm wrapping this up at about 14 minutes. I couldn't make the 10 minutes or less cut, but give us a call. My number is 502-724-4484. We would love to show you this property, and we're uploading new listings all the time. So you'll want to subscribe and you'll want to turn on notifications so that you are getting these as soon as they are uploaded. And we strive to put these videos out the day we list the house so that everybody has access to get a good feel for what the property has to offer. So Philip Staten and Anita Perez, Double Advantage Team, and Breland Group Realtors, subscribe, comment, share, and we'll talk to you soon. We'll see you in the next video. You all have a great day and thanks.